Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Rancilio Rocky grinder with us in the shop. And it came in because it was quite the job to fix. Um, this grinder was believed to be used for about 15 years. I believe no servicing either, and so it just really was overdue for a tune-up. There was quite a lot of coffee buildup everywhere. Here's some of the old burrs that we replaced. As you can see, just very old. And so we replaced it, and also the customer had used flavored coffee, so that was a little bit harder to, get out too. But we did a deep cleaning on the inner chamber fully. Also replaced both of the burrs, both on the bottom plate and the top plate. Also deep cleaning those plates because there's a lot of coffee stuck to them. We dipped the hopper in cleaner solution. As you can see, very crystal clear. There's a lot of oils build up along the walls and also for the spouts. But since this is around 15 years old, roughly, the plastic is very brittle and is snapped, releasing the screw here. This will be resolved shortly. We did order the part and it is on the way here, but the customer requested that they get the grinder before the part comes in. And since it's only 2 screws, it's very quick to replace. But besides that, we're here to test the grinder. We're going to just put a little bit of coffee in there. We're going to go more on the finer side so we get that espresso grind. Now I do have some coffee in here from the previous grind, but we will... Actually, I'll just use my hand. Let's just catch some of it. As you can see, grinding really well. And then if we were to spread that, of course, that'd be perfect for espresso. But yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of the other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.